Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to compare the 4D haptic vibration comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus OnePlus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. So which phone has got really very good 4D vibrations for gaming? That is what my main focus in this entire video. So the word 4D vibration means you should experience the vibrations from the top side and from bottom side as well. So when you're trying to hold the mobile phone in this way, so when you try to get the vibrations from left or right side, so you should experience really good haptic feedbacks. That is what I meant while gaming. Let's see which UI is really optimized for kind of haptic feedbacks and the 4D vibrations you can actually get. That is what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. So first thing is that the first phone which I thought of picking up is the iQOO 7 device. The iQOO 7 device has got the really good 4D haptic feedbacks in this device. At this moment, in this kind of price range, there is only one phone which is utilizing the haptic feedbacks really very good. Yes, absolutely really great friends in terms of the UI, in terms of the only 4D vibrations. So the main reason why I picked up this iQOO 7 is because if you try to tap on this 4D vibration, you can actually see list of games which are supported with the 4D haptic vibrations. So the list are PUBG also supported and even the Asphalt also supported. So right now the Battlegrounds mobile is not supported in this iQOO 7 device in terms of the 4D vibrations. No, it's not supported, Battlegrounds mobile. So maybe the next update they might be able to give us that kind of support. But at this moment, this iQOO 7 has got really good haptic feedbacks where you can actually experience from the top side and from the bottom side as well when you're trying to hold the phone and when you're trying to play the games as well. That's really good, great experience which you will definitely get in this phone. And the second phone which has got this kind of vibration, not the 4D vibration, just haptic vibration, is the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the haptic feedback enhancement, so which you can actually find if you try to go to the games and if you try to go to these three dots and click on the settings, and there you'll see this kind of option which is haptic feedback enhancement. So provides the scenario based vibration effects during the game for true immersive experience. But this haptic feedback enhancement means only coming from the one direction. It's not the two direction, so it's not the 4D vibrations. So you cannot experience any kind of 4D vibrations in the OnePlus Nord 2. Maybe you can experience only from the one direction in terms of the 4D vibrations. So if you want to check, you can definitely check, friends. Let me show you how to check the 4D vibrations. So try to use this on a keyboard and try to hold the phone from the top side and try to type the keyboard. You'll be able to feel the difference. The haptic feedbacks will be stronger on this one than top one. You'll be able to exactly feel the difference. But in the iQOO 7 device, when you try to use the keyboard and when you try to type, you'll feel stronger vibrations. The way you're feeling in the bottom side, same way you'll feel on the top side as well. That is the reason the 4D vibrations are really good in this iQOO 7 device. So final phone, which is the gaming oriented phone, that is how it is designed. But this is another disadvantage. You don't get that kind of haptic feedbacks vibrations in this phone. We do have this kind of controls, friends, which is really great to use this kind of controls, which I particularly like in this phone. Even the haptic feedbacks, I can actually see whenever this kind of animation comes, you can actually feel this kind of vibrations going on from left to right. That's really great to have, but you cannot use those vibrations anywhere. There is no option at all for the haptic feedback, nothing. That's kind of really sad to see in this phone. So whenever you use this kind of triggers, you should get that kind of effects when you're trying to fire or anything, that kind of haptic feedback. That is what I did like, but it's not available in this POCO F3 GT device at this moment. There is no option at all. At least in these two UIs, you do have the option to select the 4D vibration. Even the Realme as well, you do have the option. But right now, in this POCO F3 GT, you cannot get the 4D vibrations in this phone. So not only that, let me try to show you. Let me just open the keyboard and start typing. Now I can actually feel nothing. I cannot feel much kind of haptic feedbacks on the top, just a little bit. But on the bottom side, yes, I can feel very strong vibrations. There's a difference, as you can see. So this is how you need to check, friends. 4D vibrations, it should be coming from the both directions, not only from the bottom. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. So out of these three smartphones, the phone which has got the 4D haptic vibrations while gaming is iQOO 7 device. So this is one phone which is enabled for the 4D haptic vibrations. You can actually use it right now for the few games. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I'll try to cover which haptic feedback is really stronger and how much powerful as well. So this is just a video which I thought of uploading very soon because a lot of users are actually thinking of buying POCO F3 GT or iQOO 7 device, and they did ask me, can you please do the 4D haptic vibrations? Can you explain how it works and which phone is the best? That is the reason I thought of making a video. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.